Right, well, what we've got to say, welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to smash the like button. It's a bit of YouTube terminology. Right, this car, as you can see, is absolutely immaculate, but there is one thing letting it down. I mean, it's not that. You can live with that. None of that. This is just a design feature. That's for aerodynamics. It's meant to be like that. Yeah, the thing that's letting this car down altogether, the only thing is that bit of lacquer here. So we're gonna see what we can do with it. I mean, we'll probably make it worse, but it's worth a go, innit? Can't make it much worse. Right, so this is the equipment that we're gonna be attempting today. Got some lacquer. That might even be for furniture, I'm not even sure. Masking paper, plastic bag to mask it up. Some wet and dry. Now it's a bit rough, this. I think it's about 300s or something, but it's all they had in shop. But I've got some finer stuff in that from an headlight kit that's used up. But so first we'll open bonnet, give us more room. Don't worry about that. That's just me. That's my car alarm. That noise. There we have it. 1 litre and 3 cylinders of pure adrenaline. Spider webs there as well. Might take them off. Bit of weight reduction. And we'll go to an inspirational foot tapping video, and then we'll carry on. The finest paper in this set is 400s, which is way too coarse, but we'll try it anyway. We'll just try and use this to peel them flaky bits off there. Really gentle. Nice and really lovingly. We'll go right through. Well, as you can see, it's already looking better. We'll go on to some 800s. We'll try that for a bit. Yes. It seems to be going through. So I better not go anymore. I just wiped it off my t-shirt because I forgot to bring some out to wipe it off with. That's not great. Just throw some lacquer and see what happens. Well, as you can see, it's perfectly sanded, ready to take some lacquer. I mean, all this here, where it's gone through, that's just character building. That I mean, you can still feel that there, so you'll still be able to see it also, just for aerodynamics. But we'll put some we can't go anymore because it's starting to go through, so we'll just put some mask around it and spray it and hope for the best. My bin bag wasn't very good for masking, so I went foraging in someone's recycling bin and found all this, which made some interesting reading. But we'll just toss this up for a bit, and then we can apply some wax work. Right, we'll just do a quick dust first. A couple of minutes later, we'll do another coat. Now, I did say we're probably going to make this look worse, so always go into plan. Because so far, so good, it does look worse. Especially though where I've sanded through the base coat. I mean, that's not going away. Now, I've just finished the final coat. and it's actually got a decent shine to it. It's just a shame that underneath the lacquer's the wrong colour. We're going to unmask it, leave it to dry. I mean, it's tacky now, but leave it to dry, and then when it's fully dry, we'll try and blend the edges in with a bit of sandpaper and polishing. Well, as you can see, you can't actually tell it's ever been touched. It's like brand new. But just to make it even better, we're going to flat this off. We'll flat this off, and see if we can screw that off as well. I'm going to put that on there, and then use that with some 2000s. That'll be quicker than doing it by hand, won't it? Now when we've done that, obviously it's tight. When we've done that, so this old headlight, this was an headlight treating kit, it's actually working again. Use some teacup with it. Professionals. Now this is where I'm going to leave it, I think, because it's not getting any better. We knew that we was going to be able to see that through there, but in trying to get the line to match up on the lacquer, which is covering it, try and fade it in, I've done that. Which is just actually, it's just patina. It's looking really good. I mean, if you stand really far away, I'll put a car cover over it, or if it snows heavily, you won't see it. But other than that, you're going to see it. So, if you're thinking of trying to repair your own lacquer peel, either don't bother or do a better job than me, or it's not worth doing. Probably could have done a better job of it if I'd put more time into it, might have helped, because this is probably taking about 3/4 of an hour from start to finish in dribs and drabs. But paintwork isn't my thing, as is evident. Just say you get on if you want to try it.